8 years ago, on my 70th birthday, we had a birthday party for me. I asked friends to come over and help me get over the shock of turning 70. And I looked at the photos later and I thought, oh my gosh, I looked gray. My hair was stringy. I just looked at that. I was shocked. But I don't want to look like that. When I started watching the YouTube videos for the Makeoverguy, I was just amazed. It was the only thing that I found that really gets what you're dealing with as you're getting older. And I have been trying for 8 years to find some way to get this experience. And I've tried a lot of things that have not worked out. I belong to a poetry group of 8 women total, in their 70s and 80s now. We've been meeting for 15 years. And when I told them I was doing this, they were so excited and they said, oh, let's have a makeover party when you get back. I want to hear all about it and what they did and everything. And that will be so fun. So I'm most excited about this makeover giving me the tools to do what I need to do so that I feel like I look like myself, that I look like me. And I'm taking a risk to do it, and I'm really glad I'm doing it. I'm hoping to come out of it feeling more feminine and stylish and radiant.
And now, let's do the big reveal.
It's been, I think, an adventure that's going to have a long-term impact. I have learned so much. I had a makeover in San Francisco. I've watched a bazillion YouTube videos about what you should do if you're over 50 or over 60. And the hair. This is not a wig. Compared to how I was before and how this is now, it's like amazing. I'm just amazed.